My name is Emma Bradshaw. My student ID is 463838. So for problem 1, how much value is created? You have to do total value equals each willingness to pay minus the opportunity cost. So 10 for kayaks minus 8 plus 16 for Caldies minus 8 plus 20 for Blueprint minus 8 plus 25 for Colleen's minus 8. And the 8s are the opportunity costs of the suppliers. So when you add that up, you get 39 as the total value. And then 39. And then for problem 2, the added value of Blueprint, you have to do the total value of all of them minus the total value without Blueprint. So you do this by doing 39 minus 10 minus 8 plus 16 minus 8 plus 25 minus 8, and when you do that calculation you get 12. So then for question 3, will there be bargaining? You have to find the added value of all of the players. So the added value of all the suppliers is 0, and that's because there's 10 suppliers and only 4 buyers and 4 firms, so there's only 4 transactions, and so if you take one supplier away, that doesn't affect it. And then the added value of all the buyers is 39 minus 25 minus 8 plus 20 minus 8 plus 16 minus 8. So you basically do all of them except for the lowest willingness to pay. And for each buyer you get $2. And then added value of kayaks is also $2 because they have the $10 willingness to pay. And the added value of Caldies is, you have to do the total value, 39 minus the total value without Caldies, so 25 minus 8 plus 20 minus 8 plus 10 minus 8, and that is $8. And the added value of Blueprint, we already calculated, is $12. And then the added value of Colleen's is 39, the total value, minus 20 minus 8 plus 16 minus 8 plus 10 minus 8, and that equals 17. So if you sum up all of the added values, you get 47, which is greater than 39, so there will be bargaining. And then for part B, the conceptual behind that is somewhere there is a non-substitutable player in the game, so that's why there is bargaining. So then for scenario 2, question 4, so the share to suppliers is the supplier price minus so for question 4, this share to suppliers is the supplier price minus the opportunity cost, so that is 12 minus 8, which is 4. And then the share to coffee shops is the store price minus the seller price. So that's 22 minus 12. And then the share to buyers is 25 minus 12 plus 20 minus 12 plus 16 minus 12, because those are all the buyers with the willingness to pay over 12, and that is 25. So then for question 5, the total revenue to suppliers is 12, because that's the price, and there's one transaction. And then for 6, there is an added value of 0, because cost is greater than opportunity cost. So 7, an example of decreasing the opportunity cost for Colleen's would be if Colleen's moved closer to the supplier. And then for 8, you would have to calculate the new added value. So first you would start out with the total value, and that's 25 minus 5 plus 20 minus 8 plus 16 minus 8 plus 10 minus 8, and that gives you 42. And then to find the added value from there, you do 42 minus 20 minus 8 plus 16 minus 8 plus 10 minus 8, and that gives you 20. So then from there, to find the max price, you do the added value equals max price minus opportunity cost. So 20 equals max price minus 5, so then max price equals 25. And then for 9, the profit is the price minus opportunity cost, which is 25 minus 5, so they profit $20. Thank you.